Stop for a second and look at the nearest flat surface in your room. If it's covered in stuff, I want you to feel the weight in your chest right now. Scientists call this visual noise. For most people, a messy room is a source of stress. But for a specific group of people, the act of getting rid of things isn't just a chore, it's a high-speed chase for mental clarity. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating psychology of why certain people absolutely love to declutter. It's not just about having a tidy space. For many, it's a profound act with significant mental and emotional benefits. We'll explore the cognitive, emotional, and even neurochemical reasons behind this passion for purging. So if you're a self-proclaimed decluttering enthusiast, or even if the idea just baffles you, stick around, because you might just learn something new about yourself. Section 1. The illusion of control and decision fatigue. Let's start with the big one, control. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, decluttering offers an immediate and tangible sense of control. When we clear out physical items, we're making decisions, exerting our will, and seeing instant results. Think about it. Our brains are constantly bombarded with stimuli. Each item in our environment, especially if it's out of place, demands a tiny bit of our cognitive energy. This leads to something called decision fatigue. The more unnecessary choices we have to make, or the more visual clutter our brain has to process, the more drained we become. Decluttering reduces this cognitive load, freeing up mental bandwidth for more important tasks. It's like giving your brain a much-needed spa day. Section 2. The dopamine hit and reward system. But it's not just about reducing stress. There's a definite feel-good factor involved. When we successfully complete a task, especially one with a clear beginning and end like organizing a shelf or clearing a room, our brains release dopamine. This neurotransmitter is associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. That rush you feel when you drop a bag of donations off or see a perfectly organized pantry, that's your brain saying, "Good job, do more of that." This positive feedback loop reinforces the behavior, making decluttering feel genuinely satisfying and even addictive for some. It's a natural high. Section 3. Mindfulness and presence. Beyond the immediate gratification, decluttering can also be a deeply mindful activity. When you're sifting through items, deciding what to keep, what to discard, what to donate, you're often engaging in a form of active meditation. You're present in the moment, focusing on the task at hand rather than dwelling on past worries or future anxieties. This act of intentional sorting forces you to confront your relationship with your possessions. Do I really need this? Does it bring me joy? Is it serving a purpose? It can be a powerful way to practice mindfulness and self-awareness, leading to a clearer mind and a greater appreciation for what you truly value. Section 4. Identity and self-perception. And finally, decluttering can play a significant role in our sense of self and identity. Our physical environment is often a reflection of our internal state. A cluttered space can feel like a cluttered mind, and vice versa. When we declutter, we're not just clearing out physical items. We're often shedding old versions of ourselves, letting go of past attachments, or making space for the person we want to become. It can be a symbolic act of renewal, transformation, and creating a fresh start. Many people feel a sense of liberation and increased self-esteem after decluttering, like they've taken control not just of their space, but of their life trajectory. So, whether you're a seasoned decluttering pro or just starting to dip your toes in, hopefully this video has given you a new perspective on why this activity can be so incredibly rewarding. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite part about decluttering? What emotions does it spark for you? And what's one area you're planning to tackle next? If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more psychological deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.